For today's video, I'll be showing you what's inside the Chinese restaurant here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. And this is located near El Patio, Amore compound or Amore residence here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. It's not far from Dog Pechat and the KFC, so it's around the area. So please keep on watching everyone and you have a wonderful
1 minute later.
Then let me show you the food that we ordered. Let's start it off with the different kinds of salad. Our dumplings, or the siomai look-alike in the Philippines. And then we have the beef noodle soup, or the langzo soup or ugro. Then of course, the beef dish with mixed veggies, rice, then the noodle soup, the chicken and sweet and sour sauce and cake over there for dessert. And now let me tour you around the restaurant. Once again, this is the Lanzo Chinese restaurant here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. And it is located near Academia Nauch, near El Patio Italian restaurant, ground floor of the same building. If you want to know how to get to this restaurant, you need to walk from TV Safina, walk around 300 meters until you see the road after Akika Jewelry Restaurant. Then you turn right, and the moment you turn right, you just need to walk 200 meters. Then you will see Amore building. Then it's on the ground floor of Amore building next to El Patio Italian restaurant. You need to enter and go to the second floor because the largest dining area is located on the second floor of the Lanzo Chinese restaurant. The first floor is not that big, but it's also good and cozy. But I highly recommend you to go and dine on the second floor of the said restaurant. Once again, this is Lanzo Chinese restaurant here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. I've been here for 8th time now, and I'm still enjoying the place and the food and the service. The waiters and the managers are really approachable, and they are warm, welcoming every guests every single day. So once again, do visit the Chinese restaurant here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, and you won't regret it. Especially this New Year holidays, you can spend time with your family and friends here to have a wonderful memories when we start the new year. For all the Southeast Asian people here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan like us, when you visit this place, it will revive the feeling of home. I always see it and I always observe it every time I'm coming to this restaurant. The smell of the food, the taste, the ambience of the place is worth the visit.
It's time to go home and we have our day off. Is that what coffee? Welcome to the first floor. It's really beautiful here. The lighting, the wall design, and the tables.
5 minutes later.
We've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Once again, this is Hannah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more upcoming videos.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After our holiday dinner at Lanzo Chinese restaurant, we just crossed the restaurant and here we are at Il Patio Italian restaurant, and it's just near the Chinese restaurant where we visited just a while ago. We went here to take out some midnight snacks for tonight's celebration. Once again, Happy New Year to one and all. While waiting for our takeaway food, we will be touring you around Il Patio restaurant located at Amore Residence or Amore location here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. It's just near Safina area and near the KFC or Naukh area. Take your time to visit this wonderful place, Il Patio Italian restaurant. And just across this one is the Lanzo Chinese restaurant. It's worth the visit and worth your budget. I highly recommend these two restaurants for all of you these holiday seasons. Once again, Soli Nav Mubarak, Snovam Godam, and Happy New Year to everyone here in Dushanbe, in the Philippines, and all throughout the world. May God bless us a wonderful 2022 ahead. So let's talk about Il Patio Italian restaurant here in Dushanbe. I visited this place around 5 times already, and I can say that this restaurant is really an authentic Italian restaurant. They serve the best pasta and pizza. So let's talk about my favorite here. My all-time favorite in Il Patio is lasagna. Let it be take out or dine in. The taste is really superb. It tastes like the lasagna of Greenwich in the Philippines, but this one is on a higher level. It's not that sweet, and I can say that it's really authentic. Other than the lasagna, my second favorite dish here is the pepperoni pizza, and it's really good.
15 minutes later.
Hey there again, everyone. What I'm showing you right now is the city center of Dushanbe, Tajikistan. After our New Year dinner at Lanzo Chinese restaurant and Il Patio, we went directly to this place. This is the main city square, which is the Somoni Square and Rudaki Avenue or the Rudaki Park. Then across is the Parliament. So look at the wonderful Christmas or New Year tree over there.
2 seconds later.
On this part of my vlog, while I'm showing you the beautiful New Year decorations here at the city center of Dushanbe, I want to give you some tips on where to go this winter holidays or this New Year celebrations. First on our list is sa Federa Ski Resort in Tacob. It's a 70-kilometer drive from the city center of Dushanbe. This is the best ski resorts in the country and in Central Asia. You just need $100 budget for 2 to 3 people. Whole day, you will be there enjoying the winter season in the ski resort. The second thing on my list would be Spa Hayot. We know that winter, it's chilly weather, so it is worth the visit to go to Spa Hayot, a 5-star spa hotel in Tajikistan. You just need to spend roughly 200 somoni per person for 12 hours. Then you have the different types of sauna, massage, the dining area, the lounges, and everything will be included in what you will be paying. So there are different zones such as the women area, the men's area, the children's area, the gym, and the food location there. So top 3 on my list would be, of course, the New Year dinner or the New Year parties at Hyatt Regency, Serena Hotel, Hilton. I believe in Hilton it's 600 sumoni for the New Year's celebration. And if I'm not mistaken, years ago in Hyatt Regency, I think that was 700 or 800, less than 1,000 sumoni. And you will be having the New Year dinner per person. That's the price per pax. And the 4th on my list is, of course, the photo sessions here in Dushanbe. They have the New Year photo shoots, and the price ranges from 200 somoni to 300, and the most expensive is 600 somoni, but that's the best one here, which is the New Year photo shoot of space art or the space gallery, something like that.
A few moments later.
We've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until this part. Once again, my name is Teacher Hannah, a Filipino teacher here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, and I've been here for the last 10 years. I'm really happy to have spent most of my years here in Dushanbe or in Central Asia. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Soli Mubarak Bahamaton. S Novam Godam Dilav Sevas. Yavas Ochin Lublu. Man Shumoro Khelitus Medaram. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
And of course, to all of my loving students at Faridun Learning Centers, Oxford Learning Centers, British Schools, Saman Schools, and Hamadon Private Gymnasium, Miss Hannah, your teacher, wants to greet you and your family a wonderful new year ahead. May God, may Allah bless each and every one of us good health and happy life.
سلام عرض میکنم با همه شما تماشابینان یوتیوب کانال من ماهانا شما رو با استودیوی صورتگیری خوش آمدید میگیم. بار دیگر شما رو با فرارسی سال نو میلادی مبارکباد میگیم. بگذار هر آرزو و عملی که در دل دارید به آنها برسید و همه شما رو در تحصیل در مرکز آموزشی فریدون دعوت می‌نماییم. مورد به یادآوری است که در این مرکز آموزشی بهترین معلم‌های زبان خارجی از جمله معلمه هانا درس می‌گویند. همه شما رو با مرکز آموزشی تعلیمی فریدون برای آموختن زبان‌های خارجی مخصوصا زبان انگلیسی دعوت می‌کنیم. بار دیگر سال نو با یکایک شما مبارک باشد.